Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alright, time for a shout out. A little premix, just to avoid clumping. Got the canteen of choosing. We're gonna, if I can get the name out. We got my bro PHARRAOH. He lives down in California. So if you like camping and backpacking, yeah, definitely check him out, because he's a good dude. And he cooks some pretty awesome looking grub around a campfire too. I believe he has a sticker, but I don't have his sticker, which makes me a little sad. So maybe I'll have to email him and say, hey man, you got a sticker? Let's exchange.
Alright, well there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their links will be down in the description below. Knock on wood that they actually work. I don't know, sometimes they don't work, but I get the direct link right off the top address bar, and I put it right in the description. So if it doesn't work, there'll still be an end card. Hopefully that will work. And as always, I do thank you for watching. And I also I take a moment to salute our fine servicemen and women, from our recruits clear to our veterans, and also 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. 22 a day, no more. I also like to throw in a special thanks to our EMT and first responders, saving lives out there every day. I think they deserve something, some recognition as well. With that, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.